to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight market scenario by Sehgal Sea Trade. On November 1st, the Asia-Pacific Panamax freight rates declined. The Asia-Pacific Supramax freight rates showed mixed trend. The Cape-size freight rates were dropped again, and the Pacific Handysize market freight rates were higher. Baltic index falls for 10th straight session on lower vessel demand. The Baltic Exchange Main Sea Freight Index BADI tracking rates for ships carrying dry bulk commodities fell for a 10th straight session to a near 7-week low on Wednesday as rates fell across vessel segments. The overall index, which factors in rates for Cape-size, Panamax and Supramax shipping vessels, fell 4% or by 58 points to 1,401. The Cape-size index declined 6% or 121 points to 1,899, its lowest in over 1 month. WAF VLCC market continues to firm on rising oil demand. Dirty freight rates for very large crude carrier voyages loading in West Africa have firmed substantially since the start of October, with market participants citing increased demand for oil to replenish depleted stocks and support from booming Suezmax and Aframax markets. Platts, part of S&P Global Commodity Insights, assessed wet freight on the 260,000 metric ton WAF East route at W76 on October 31st, up W5 from the previous day and W35 from the 19-month low of W41 it hit earlier October 6th. Platts assessed freight on the 260,000 metric ton WAF UKC route at W85 on October 31st, up W5 from the previous day at W42 from its October 6th low of W43. Before we move on to the rest of the news updates, I would like to inform you that the 10th Indo-Tanker Shipping and Trade Summit is being organized on 9th of February 2024 in Mumbai, and the venue will have limited seating capacity. So we request you to reserve your seat as soon as possible. Registrations will be done on a first-come, first-served basis. Black Sea dry bulk exports up 13% year-on-year as Russian wheat exports rise. Between January and October, dry bulk exports out of the Black Sea increased by 13% year-on-year, driven by Russian wheat exports. After 2 strong consecutive wheat harvests in Russia, the country's exports are now back on track to reach a new record in 2023. However, Black Sea export volumes are 20% lower than in 2021 due to the loss of Ukraine cargoes following Russia's invasion of the country. So far in 2023, Russian dry bulk exports through Black Sea ports increased by 21% year-on-year due to a 78% year-on-year surge in wheat exports. The country has boosted the export of wheat to especially Africa and the Middle East. This has helped mitigate a weak harvest in Argentina and lower exports from Ukraine. On the other hand, Russian coal exports from Black Sea ports fell 16% due to the European Union ban on Russian coal. Asia fuel oil VLSFO premium spikes on tight supply outlook. Cash premiums for very low sulfur fuel oil extended gains in Asia on the first trading day of November, buoyed by expectations of constrained supplies. The Singapore 0.5% VLSFO cash premium climbed for a 4th straight session to $25.25 a metric ton on Wednesday, scaling a 9-month high. Market backwardation also surged, with the balance month December time spread widening to $34.5 a ton at the Asia close, said industry sources. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.